You can rock it to church, to parties, to anywhere you want to go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Oni. Yes. So as we all know, this channel is basically for every lady out there. I mean, we do tutorials on fashion, fitness, lifestyle, beauty. You can't even afford not to subscribe. So if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button below and also click the notification bell so you can receive updates whenever I post new content. So today's tutorial is all about how to tie your vintage scarf in different ways, you can rock it to church, to parties, to anywhere you want to go. So how to tie different ways that will fit like different occasions. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video. shampoo. Like this an early morning, I just woke up from sleep and I just said I should do one video for you guys so that when I finish making this shattered. Okay, so if you have learned something from this video, you have learned one thing or the other from this video, please do to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell so you can be receiving updates whenever I post new content, and also do me a favor by sharing to your family and friends. Please share, please share, please share, please share, and also like. Please thumbs up this video, and drop in the comment section below if you have tried yours out and tell me how it turned out. I would definitely be glad to hear. So this is the end of today's video. Please do to also follow me on my social media handles. Please follow me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.